is going on, guys? It's Poe. We got Caleb right there and Justin right there, and we're about to head, there's Justin. We're about to head to Lake Charles to go to a shop. One of their guys, Dom. So Dom's a guy there that has a paint and body shop, and he also has some fast cars. So we're gonna go look at some fast cars. So I'm just getting started. We're gonna take the rental car down to Lake Charles. It's about, what, like a 2-3 hour drive?
It's like 3.5.
Oh, okay, so 3.5 hour drive, that ain't nothing. The best part is you press the button and it unlocks.
Fuck was that?
It's already unlocked. I don't know, it beeps at me a lot.
This ain't even my part.
She got a party, bitch, that don't impress me. Parties were the reason I was sleeping on the money. Ain't it funny how they all see out to hold him? Thankfully he's alone. It didn't rain, a strange new perfume.
Whatever that bus is right there must be important because they got a police escort front and back on a daggone school bus.
We are in Richland Parish, so they're probably just going to a football game.
Alright, we just took a potty break and there was
Blueface, baby.
Too much poop on the floor for
yeah,
us.
it was a mess.
About to get some damn Ford pussy in this rental.
A couple grams, now I'm a demon robbing liquor store.
What?
Like what about it? Get the safe and crack it and don't give a dollar back.
It was on the shoulder, bro.
That boy's a fool.
I'll look back, hit up the young.
Is that the people we just raided?
Yes, the people that just passed us on the shoulder, he's pulling over.
Boy!
No! It's a truck. It's completely undercover
That's the
truck.
one that just flew past us. That's amazing.
That is the truck that just flew
That's the
past
one that
us.
just
That was
flew
the
past
cop.
Damn.
Oh, that wasn't even
Different
you.
guy. That radar's been going on for the longest time, and he passed by us like going at least 80, and it's a 50-mile-an-hour zone. Golly. Oh, we ended up at the Kappa Sigma house for what, McNeese State University? Your old college?
Yeah, right down here in Lake Charles, Louisiana.
So we ended up at the Kappa Sig house. We were just inside of it and chilling with all the people in there, which is always fun. We're here with the fam.
We're supposed to wait till...
What's the plan?
Yeah, Daryl's.
We're going to Daryl's.
I'm loving my job right now. I'm having a great time.
Did you ride in the V?
Oh yeah.
That's an hour and a half.
There you go, that's a good looking truck. What is going on, guys? It's the second day and I'm with Dom right here from Dom's Car Visions.
What's up?
You want to follow his channel, it'll be right there. So if you want to go follow him, he's got tons of fast cars. This is his Z06 Corvette right here. He's got a fast V, which we'll show you that a little bit later, but look at this Corvette right here. Freaking carbon fiber wheels up front, obviously radials in back. This is a nice car. What do you have done to it?
It has a 427 LSX block in it with a F1A Pro Charger.
This
Making
thing
about
is
1,000 wheels.
This thing is bad.
Yeah.
Look at them freaking exhaust tips. Those are like 4-inch tips. Dang. That's so pretty. Carbon fiber up on here. Wow. That is a pretty car. You want to go take a spin?
You want to go take a spin?
I want to take a spin. I'm just asking you. Oh, wow. See, that's power right there. Big old diesel truck. About to take a ride inside this Corvette here in an over 1,000 horsepower Corvette. This is gonna be fun. Let's go. Golly! That is amazing. This is a freaking beast of a car. I love you.
I love you too, man. I forgot you haven't heard this thing yet.
This thing sounds like a jet.
Oh, don't die.
I'll have a seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on, please.
Seatbelt's trying to save you.
I may or may not have rolled a truck before in the past week. I'm down for anything. So we're inside the car right here. I know that this thing is a beast. It sounds like a freaking jet.
You ain't ready.
I'm pretty sure I'm ready. This thing sounds so good, man. What? He just picked it up for a little bit. Holy cow.
Kind of want the tires up.
Everyone at the flea market was looking. This car is freaking something else, guys. This is amazing. So much power. People are breaking their necks when you pass by. Stop like a school bus in front of the train tracks. perfect roads for it. They're super smooth. That was a ride in a 1,000 horsepower Z06 Corvette. Golly, that thing is amazing. Like I'm sitting in it. I've been smiling since I sat inside of this thing. It's so fast. So just put a smile on your face. That's all it does, is put a ginormous smile on your face. It's freaking awesome. This thing makes a lot of power with that Pro Charger.
Oh yeah, instant power.
Instant. It's a lot of bottom end torque too. I was surprised at that.
Instant power. Power band is just.
It's everywhere. We've arrived back at Dom's shop, Dom's Paint and Body. So if y'all are ever in the Lake Charles area, and if you want some body work done,
Yeah, hit me up.
I've seen some of his cars, and I think I could agree that he does good work. Golly, that's freaking awesome. So it's a Texas Speed 427 LSX, long tube headers, F1R Pro Charger, completely built. This thing is putting down a lot of power. Up front, it's got carbon fiber wheels. Just listen to that chop right there. That's freaking awesome. Those tips are huge. Like, that is my hands. Golly. It's a fast car. It's just still pretty fast.
Hey, I have been looking at this car, seen this car now for 6 to 8 years. I've been seeing this thing for a while.
I just rode in it. I'm telling you, oh, it's happy man.
Oh yeah.
I
remember whenever this car was still almost stock. It's been in this state. Damn.
Hey, train horns.
It's been in this state for like a few years. I remember when this thing was still stock when we got it.
Dang, I can't get over the power it has. It just goes and goes and goes. It goes and it doesn't stop.
Me and Nick are going to pick up a Ronin real quick. Do you want to drive us? Would that be bad? Would you be
I can. Dom, I'm not going anywhere, but I gotta shake your daggum hand. That was freaking awesome. This is an amazing car. I love going and doing fast things, and this was one of the fastest cars I've been in.
Yeah.
I've been in a Gallardo before, and nothing pulling power compared to this.
Yeah, it pulls hard.
It's insane. It just goes. It goes, it goes, it goes, and it doesn't stop going. It's awesome, man.
Man, I was able to get you.
Heck yeah, for sure.
I've been owning the car since 2014, and it still just gets me going, bro.
Dude, it's a rush. And he's got a lot of clean cars too. He's got the V as well. Let's go check out the V. Golly, that is a clean car. Dude, it looks like it.
Yeah. This car gonna be on the channel.
Heck yeah.
We got a couple of little surprises with it on the channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so y'all check out that.
Yeah. Check out his channel. I'm gonna link it there. It's also gonna be in the link in the description down below. Y'all check his channel out because he's got lots of plans with stuff like this.
Check it out, folks.
Golly. It's so nice.
It still smells like little rubber in here. We did some donuts in it yesterday.
Hey, that's not a bad problem. Those seats are so nice too.
Yeah.
Dang. And if you thought this guy was all about cars, he's got a truck too. Look at this freaking truck. This thing is super clean. Got the fuels on it. Daggum.
Uh-oh.
Dang, those taillights I like. I like those taillights a lot.
Fox shocks.
Fox shocks.
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra?
That's the new Supra.
Bro, that's a Supra. Oh my gosh.
That's the first one I've seen in person.
That's a new Supra.
That's a Supra.
Ah! It's a new Supra. Nick is throwing stuff away, and I locked the doors, and I'm not gonna unlock it for him. So we're waiting to get Jake his Ronin, and they put mayo on my burger, so I'm calling Wendy's.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's and Genius. This is Trent speaking. I may help you.
Hi, I was driving through the drive-thru, and I got mayonnaise on my burger. I just wanted to tell you. Bye-bye.
And making it easy on me.
I just wanted to call because it would be funny. Jake's new toy. You just bought a Ronin.
About time.
The deal is done.
The deal is done. Now we close the car.
You don't want to end up like that case.
You did not come back out to life. Okay, we go back. Hi, Mr. Lewis. I ordered a large pizza, a pepperoni, and as I was going to open the box, the whole pizza was upside down.
Did you flip it? Because you can't put it in the box upside down. It doesn't work that way.
What do you mean, did I flip it?
I mean, did you, when you put it in the truck or car, did you flip it over?
You know, I might have.
You know, to put it in the box has to be open, and we have to slide it off the peel, and it goes straight in the box that way. We slide it in the box. We don't flip it or anything. You know what I mean?
I think I'll just try and turn the backs over.
Flip it. It's just pepperoni. Just flip it real quick.
Yeah, it's just pepperoni.
Don't try to turn it slow. You're gonna have to flip it quick, otherwise you're gonna lose everything. And I don't know how that could have happened.
I must have done flip the backs.
Yeah. Well, I hope you can fix it.
Sir, have a good day. I'll just flip a dang pizza bag.
All right. You too. Bye.
Bye bye.
He said, yeah, did you flip it?
Did you flip the box? You sounded straight like Peter.
I'll tell you what, Lewis Lewis knows a thing or two about pizza now.
He sounded like Peter, dog.
This man has been in the pizza business. He's experienced. He knows what to do. You don't flip them slow, Poe.
What? That's a whole helicopter!
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Oh my gosh, is that a Supra? Oh my god, is that a Supra? That's a whole ass helicopter. That truck is very close to my rear end. That's kind of cool. That's a whole popper. This is water, and that is a boat. So we ended up at the top of a parking garage at some random place at some hotel in Lake Charles that is really big, and there is a beautiful car behind me with a good backdrop. If you look over here, you'll see there's freaking water. We got good pictures. We got echoes. Wait, so what's happening, Jake?
I've encountered an issue.
It's not turning.
I got a little bit of a learning curve to do this thing, so.
It takes practice. Definitely peeing in the corner as he popped up, and I was like, oh, he obviously went cool. What did you start?
I told him to go up here. I'm about to take him to a wheelie.
Oh, hit him with the dab. Dude, Nick, you're a stud. Oh no. Oh no. Photo shoot. Jake, get the Ronin.
Like a fucking Corvette over there, and I'm taking a photo shoot next to the Grom.
Oh yes. What is going on, guys? I'm on a Grom, so if y'all like this video, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. If you like the content, feel free to go ahead and subscribe and share it and like it, because this is just how we do things. Po boys! Come on! Dom is a great guy. This is Ashton Cormie's Grom. I'll tag him right there. Follow him. Y'all have a freaking great day, and remember to freaking send it!